Eid is a time of sharing, caring, and spreading joy. And because of your kindness and generosity, countless lives were touched this Eid al-Adha. Thanks to your support, Alkhidmat reached thousands of deserving families, spreading joy, nourishment, and hope, all for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In Pakistan, struggling families shared the blessings of Eid. In Al-Quds, oppressed Palestinian refugees found relief. In the West Bank, your Qurbani brought smiles and sustenance. In Cairo, refugee children tasted the joy of Eid. In Lebanon, displaced families felt remembered and cared for. And in Jordan, your sacrifice fed the needy and uplifted hearts. Because of you, millions around the world experienced the true spirit of Eid. Jazakallah khair for your compassion. Together, we make a difference. For humanity, for the Ummah, for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.